Hey, guys, welcome back to my channel, How to Download YouTube Video in Laptop. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google browser and search youtube.com. Step 2. Click your profile icon and go to YouTube Studio to access your dashboard. Step 3. In YouTube Studio, open the Content section and to see your uploaded videos, YouTube. Step 4. Hover over the video you want to download, click the 3 dots. Then click the Download button. Step 5. Choose Save as pick where to save it on your PC, and click Save. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.